examples of Wii accessories that fall into is the nunchuck. It has similar motion sensing technology to the Wii Remote. This allows characters to move around while performing specific action to the Wii Remote. The Wii Zapper is a plastic device resembling a Tommy gun that houses both Wii Remote and nunchuck. Wii Wheel is another useful accessory that is being shipped with Mario Kart Wii. It is a small plastic steering wheel that houses Wii Remote with its circumference. The Wii Remote, sometimes called Wiimote, is the primary controller for the Nintendo Wii console. A main feature of the Wii Remote is its motion sensing capability, which allows users to interact with or manipulate items on screen via movement or pointing with the use of accelerometer and optical sensor technology. Another feature is its expandability through the use of its attachment. The input transducer is the Wii Remote. It is the primary controller for Nintendo's Wii console. It has motion sensing capability. Next is the summing junction. One of the controller is Bluetooth. The controller communicates wirelessly with the console via short-range Bluetooth radio. Next is the sensor bar. The Wii Remote senses light from the console sensor bar. In the process part is the Wii console, where all the datas or infrared datas are manipulated, processed, and stored. Next is the output transducer. These are the accelerometer, gyroscope, and optical sensor. The Wii Remote has the ability to sense acceleration along 3 axes to the use of accelerometer and gyroscope. Optical sensor is used to locate the sensor's bar point of light in the Wii Remote's field of view. The Wii Remote has the ability to sense acceleration along 3 axes through the use of an ADXL 330 accelerometer. The Wii Remote also features fixed optical sensor, which allowing it to determine where the Wii Remote is pointing. Unlike a light gun that senses light from a TV screen, Wii Remote senses light from the console sensor bar, which allow consistent usage regardless of the television type or size. It is not necessary to point directly at the sensor bar, but pointing significantly away from the bar will disrupt position sensing ability due to the limited viewing angle of the Wii Remote. The use of the sensor bar is to allow the Wii Remote to be used as an accurate pointing device up to 5 meters away from the bar. The Wii Remote's image sensor is used to locate the sensor bar's point of light in the Wii Remote's field of view. The sensor bar is required when the Wii Remote is controlling up and down, left and right motion of a cursor or reticle of the TV screen to point the menu options or objects, such as enemies in first-person shooters. Because the sensor bar also allows the Wii Remote to calculate the distance between the Wii Remote and the sensor bar. The Wii Remote also controls slow forward-backward motion of an object in 3-dimensional game. Rapid forward-backward in motion, such as punching in a boxing game, is controlled by acceleration sensors. Using acceleration sensors, the Wii Remote can also control rotation of a sensor or other objects. The use of an infrared sensor is to detect position that can cause some detection problems when other infrared sources are around, such as incandescent light bulbs or candles. This can be easily alleviated by using the fluorescent light around the Wii, which emit little no infrared light. Innovative users have used other sources of infrared light as sensor bar substitute, such as pair of candles. Such substitute for the sensor bar illustrate the fact that a pair of candles light provides continuous calibration of the direction that the Wii remote is pointing and its physical location relative to the light sources. There is no way to calibrate the position of the cursor relative to where the user is pointing the controller without the two stable reference sources of light provided by the sensor or the substitute. The key to Nintendo's new game interface lies inside the controller. Instead of using joystick to control the game, its primary control is the controller itself. For example, you flew an airplane. You simply move the controller in the way you wanted the plane to move, and the plane on the screen move. It's easy to do sharp turns, barrel rolls, and loops.
Yeah, I like it when the girls stop by.
Nintendo Wii, like every other video game console, has some controller variation and other accessories available for serious gamers. The sensor bar is about 20 centimeters in length and features 10 infrared LEDs, with 5 LEDs being arranged at each end of the bar. So that's it. The end na. See you soon.
Yeah, I like it when the girls stop by in the summer. Do you remember? Do you remember when we met that summer? New kids on